Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Al Lunacy. This is Al Lunacy Q'ing. Today we are doing a product comparison of two cooking woods, GWP, also known as Gourmet Wood Products, and B&B Charcoal. Now those familiar with the videos and the channel know that I've been cooking with B&B Post Oak cooking wood for quite some time now, but I'll be totally honest with you, I have never used GWP cooking wood before. Now before we take a closer look at these products, I'm going to give you a brief background on both these companies.
GWP is based in Fort Worth, Texas, and is family owned since 1982. 99% of their business comes from supplying the restaurant industry, and they supply from the privately owned to the big chain franchise restaurants. B&B is originally based in Weimar, Texas, and has been in business since 1961. All B&B wood is from family farmers who substantially source it from their private farms. B&B is now a wholly owned subsidiary of Duraflame.
Okay, so now that we know a little bit about their backgrounds, let's take a little closer look and let's take a look at the packaging itself.
Okay, so there's two handles on top of the GWP cardboard box, and as we look down the box we can see that the total volume is 1 cubic feet of cooking wood. Looking at the B&B packaging, there's a thin plastic handle on the top of the vinyl-like bag, and as we look at the total volume, it is 1.25 cubic feet of cooking wood. I believe that they are now making 1 cubic feet bags, and that the 1.25 bags have been discontinued. So if we were to give an edge to which package is more convenient for the backyard pitmaster, the GWP compact box design is easier to store and easier on the hands when compared to the plastic handle on the bulky vinyl B&B bag. So that's one frosty beer mug for the GWP.
So now that we're familiar with the packaging, let's dive deeper and let's open up the packaging and look at the wood itself.
Opening up the GWP box, it was just tape that we had to get through with the knife. Taking out the wood splits, I instantly noticed that the splits looked pretty clean and ready to go right out of the box. Now moving on to the B&B vinyl bag, it has one of those string top openings that I never have luck with. A quick swig of my ranch water and a few more tries with this dull cheap knife that I was using, and we were in business. So as I was stacking the B&B splits, I noticed that they were bigger and bulkier than the GWP splits. They also had a full bark practically in every split. Now let's look at these two side by side. Most of the GWP splits were consistent in size with each other and measured about 2 inches in width and 11 inches in length. Now looking at the B&B splits, the same did not hold true. The first log measured about 5 inches in width and 9 inches in length, while the second one was about 5 inches in width and 13 inches in length. Many of the logs had diagonal cuts, making them harder to stand up when splitting. The inconsistent size also makes fire management harder, as the larger splits will spike those temperatures. Now you can cut them to be more consistent size, but that means more work and less drinking time when using the B&B splits. So when rating the wood splits from a backyard pitmaster perspective, I give the edge to GWP, making that 2 frosty mugs to 0 for the B&B.
And so we reached to our third section, the burning test. So before we get to it, we're going to have to split some wood.
So since the B&B logs were wider, we had to split one and try to match the size of the GWP splits. And here's a quick view of the splits. Now let's see which one will ignite quicker.
1 minute to post time, working the gate. There, that's the post time.
Now I don't have a moisture meter for my wood, but I can tell you that one split was lighter than the other, and it's going to be the one that ignites first. So let us wait for that to happen, then I'll explain a little further. Now obviously the lighter split had less moisture, hence it ignited quicker, and that was the B&B split, which caught fire in under 40 seconds. Now both these woods are kelp dried and are under 20% moisture rate as indicated by the manufacturer. Ideal moisture rate for wood being used for smoking meat should be between 9% to 14% moisture rate. Both these woods ignited in under 2 minutes, making them both excellent choices for smoking meat. But if we have to give one a better rating for a quicker clean burn, that goes to the B&B cooking wood. So that's one frosty beer mug for the B&B charcoal wood splits.
And so we get to our last rating, and it comes down to the price. What price are we paying for these two products? Let's take a look.
At the time I purchased the GWP box, it was on sale for $16.99 a cubic foot, making that an average of $4.24 per quarter cubic foot. However, its regular price is $18.99, making that an average of $4.72 per quarter cubic foot. Now, I purchased a bag of B&B splits for $23.99 for 1.25 cubic feet, making that an average of $4.79 per quarter cubic foot. By comparison, the slight edge goes to the GWP for a savings of 28 cents in total per cubic foot of cooking wood. That makes the clear winner the GWP cooking wood. Now, your experience may differ from mine, and this is just my current perspective of these cooking woods. That may change over time, and if it does, I'll make sure to note it in a future video. Now, let us know if you try these for yourselves in the comments, and if you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see in the future videos, let us know as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, give us a like. It's very much appreciated as well. Thank you for watching. Until the next time.